Hello friends, this is Arun here. Welcome to Tech with 7. Today I will show you how to replace your power and volume button of your Redmi phones. Like I have Mi Max Prime. My phone fell down and the screen's been broken out. So right now the power button is not working, so we're going to replace it. So first of all, I'll show you how to deassemble this phone. Please watch out this short video. Deassembling Mi Max Prime is so simple. You have to just insert this headphone jack in the slot and pull the jack lead to the upper side, and there will be a gap to open this frame and the screen. You can see. Please make sure when you remove the back cover of the phone, you should remove the flex cable of the fingerprint scanner before pulling out the back cover. Now the assembly completed. Now you have to remove these 8 screws which I am showing. I have already removed the 8 screws. Now you can just pull out this frame. Now you can see the board and the flex cable of the power button and the volume button. This is the flex cable. So let's unbox the power cable. I have bought this power cable from AliExpress and the seller name is Tanuk Zone. It's a good seller. I got this shipment in 3 weeks time. It's a really fast shipping and this is free shipping, so I thought it will take another 1 or 2 months time, but I received the package within 3 weeks time. So let's unbox this power cable. Cost me only like 70 rupees Indian rupee. So guys, this is the power cable. So you can see the quality is good as compared to the previous. The original one is totally different actually, but as far as it's a lot cheaper, so quality as per that is really good. You can see my power button has been broken out, so let's replace it. First we have to remove this flex cable pin. Actually this power cable is stick with the double-sided tape. It's a glue, one-side glue. You can remove it from your finger actually. Just pull out with some pressure and it will come out. Make sure that you will not damage any other things in the phone, otherwise your phone will be damaged. So this is removed. Now we have to fix our new flex cable. You can see actually the new power flex cable of the power button. The buttons in the power cable are a little big as compared to the original one. So there is a chances if it get stuck with the body or a frame. We'll check. First let's fix the power cable to the phone. Make sure the pin should be accurate, otherwise it will not it will not come out with the same slot as the buttons in the frame. So please check clearly when you fix the power cable. So it's fixed now. Let's check out after plugging back to the board. So now switch on the phone. Let's check it's working or not. Guys, my phone screen has been totally damaged. I will be making a new video because I ordered a new screen from AliExpress. So maybe by next week will be. Oh yeah, it's working. So power button is working fine. So what I'm saying is I have already ordered my screen. So we'll be making a new video how to replace the screen of the Mi Max Prime. So guys, it's totally working. Now you have to reassemble the phone and you're good to go. So guys, thank you so much for watching this video, and don't forget to subscribe my channel because it really helped me to make new videos. So thank you so much for watching. Bye bye.